Azalata. Kila mmoja mmoja wakatoka. Sadao. Waja kwenye chumi. Just committed foul here. Valentina Arumbe located in the box. What is happening? Valentino no! Team Yari is not passing that. Oh my God! That was a very good opportunity for Maranto and on their goals and it comes to goals. Nakapaya Yoga, Kapana Nikolaiza.
Abazani cyo kubanza nimbasa kubebaza bayire ko mutindo munungi munonga kuya kugira ngo twiza twafuna ubuzo kugira ngo aba ba travelinga munonga kandi no traveling okwe of course ngakabanga team ne abazani mbaruha. That's the worst performance situation twagira tyo konga ingamba ikigumanya abazani bitu abaru barungi
emuzano ka activity ya izoba ryiteri ne tuyamba cyo kubanza kutereza amagara gitu eshaka kabiri etuyamba okwatagana ekitweta networking kandi eshaka kashatu etuyamba kwihaho stress